Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Alright everybody, welcome back to Chill Reacts. I came across this video on my timeline. It looks pretty cool, so I thought we'd check it out together. This one is called Doorbell News. And like I said at the top, this is why you better keep your doors locked. So let's check it out.
On this episode of Doorbell News.
What the hell?
It's getting close to Halloween.
Oh boy.
And people are starting to act strange.
Yeah, I can tell this is going to be pretty
You
intense.
might want to watch this one all the way till the end.
We can't do that.
Have a good one.
And I forgot to mention, we hit 1 million subscribers.
I bet.
Sorry, we're not interested.
I ain't trying to sell nothing.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
Sacramento, California.
What's going on? Okay.
Forest Lake,
Obviously,
Minnesota.
that house is being robbed. All right. I remember us doing stuff like that back in
Waddle,
the day.
Arizona.
Oh boy.
A
Look at
neighbor
him.
shared this footage after his Chevy truck was taken
And that dude
right
looks
from his
young.
driveway by these two guys.
That is
One of them
crazy.
appears to be holding an AK-47. Might not want to come outside.
He looked like he ain't no more than 18, 19 years old. Maybe his early 20s. It's a pretty big truck too. Look at that car sitting out to the side like a lookout.
Harlem, New
crazy.
York. What do these ladies
Looks like he
want?
could barely drive that truck. What's going on with this? What's this? What the hell? He's gonna waste a whole gallon of milk?
Looks like they're pouring milk all over their rug or something.
Yeah, they must be mad.
Akron,
Must be
Ohio.
mad at them.
A shooting star is seen. Or was that a
Okay.
meteorite? Or was it a comet?
Was that
You
two
be the
of them
judge.
back to back, or was that? Okay, that looked like a replay.
Wait, let me call my mom.
Mm.
We just seen a shooting star.
Atlanta, Georgia. Check this guy out.
What's going on with this?
He has a lot of jewelry on.
Look at this dude.
Was he some sort of rapper or something?
His shirt, chest all hanging out.
Yeah, we'll get back to that guy in a second. Sugarland, Texas. A father's coming home to
Sugarland,
deliver
Texas.
his child's birthday cake. Let's see what happens.
Hey, we're good.
Pizza or anything?
Oh no, I'm
You
good. I'm good. I just had some food.
Oh, have a good one.
Oh. Oh.
Put it back. Oh no.
Neighbor shared this footage of this bat that kept flying in front of his doorbell.
It's probably like some Mars or something close by. It's hunting food. It's detecting something.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Some people just don't need to be driving.
Las Vegas. It's like a nice little neighborhood. Nah, don't stop. What are you?
All that space on the road. You couldn't cut the road a little bit
Man,
more.
that person was drinking. I bet they was
Seattle,
drunk.
Washington. A Domino's
Or something.
pizza is victimized by these three assailants. It looks like the delivery lady was about to walk in, but she noticed it in progress.
Right.
So she tried to walk off, but they chased her down.
What?
Yeah, make sure you watch this episode all the way to the end.
What the hell? He pointed a gun at her.
Katy, Texas. Check these two out, crawling
What
like
the
a
hell
dog
is
to
going
take
on
someone's
here?
package.
What the hell is up with that? That is crazy.
San Francisco, California. What's this guy want?
For this dude.
Roy, Utah. This is exactly why you might not want to order food delivery anymore, because of guys like this.
Really?
Let's see what happens.
Check it out. I know that nigga did not lift the cup.
In the house.
That is
really
crazy.
All right, thanks so much.
Have a good night.
Thanks.
Oh my goodness.
Completely disgusting.
That's crazy.
Wisconsin. What's this guy want?
All right, this is gonna be it right here. We're gonna wrap it up after this one. Look at this dude. He just grabbing something off the porch. That's crazy. Look, you can barely. Look at this dude. Yeah. All right. I think that's it. Look, and he's in the. Oh my goodness.
What you doing?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look. All right. We're going to stop it right there. This is crazy. So, guys, just make sure if you have anything coming in the mail, you're watching for it, have a nice place to put it or something, because this kind of stuff is crazy. Make sure you check your doors before you open them, all that stuff. I mean, not saying that you should live scared, but always be careful when opening your doors. Don't be opening it to anybody. Be on the lookout. All right, everybody, be safe. Chill Reacts. Like, share, subscribe. We out of here. Thanks for watching, guys.